How to change your profile picture in Tumblr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily edit it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So this is your profile section. Here you can see your name and everything that will pop up. Here on the top, simply tap on the profile picture, and here on the bottom, select change your avatar. Basically, this is the piece where you can select your new profile picture. Here you can directly take a photo or choose a photo from your gallery. So here I'm tapping on one, so you can adjust it and you can manage it. At last, tap on the save button and it's done. So the avatar is completely changed now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.